Hello, you've tuned into 𝗚𝗢𝗔𝗬𝗦, your hub for self-improvement. Here we delve into the fascinating realms of personal growth and development. Our mission is to help you unlock your full potential and transform your life for the better. Today, we're going to shed light on a topic that's crucial to personal success: achieving any goal. Yes, you heard it right. Any goal. From the smallest daily tasks to the biggest life ambitions, we've got you covered. Today, we'll be unveiling the steps to achieving any goal. To kick things off, we need to understand the importance of having clear goals. As we journey through life, we all have aspirations and dreams. But aspirations and dreams are like the stars in the night sky. They are beautiful to gaze at, but they are also far away, and without a clear path, they remain unreachable. That's where clear goals come into play. Goals are like the compass that guides us through the vast ocean of life. They give us a sense of direction, a purpose to strive for, and a target to aim at. They turn our dreams from mere wishful thoughts into tangible objectives that we can work towards. And when we have a clear goal in mind, we can focus our energy, our time, and our resources towards achieving it. But goals do more than just provide direction. They also serve as a powerful tool for personal and professional growth. When we set a goal, we are essentially challenging ourselves. We are stepping out of our comfort zone, pushing our boundaries, and striving to achieve something that we have not achieved before. And in the process of striving to achieve our goals, we learn new skills, acquire new knowledge, and develop new abilities. We grow as individuals, and we become better versions of ourselves. Furthermore, clear goals provide a sense of accomplishment. When we set a goal and achieve it, we feel a sense of satisfaction and fulfillment. We feel proud of our achievements, and we gain confidence in our abilities. And this confidence fuels our drive to set and achieve even bigger and more ambitious goals. So, whether you want to advance in your career, improve your health, or achieve any other aspiration, remember that setting clear goals is the key. It's the first step towards turning your dreams into reality. And it's the foundation upon which you can build your journey towards success. Remember, a clear goal is the first step towards achieving it. Now, let's dive into how to set SMART goals. Picture an artist preparing to create a masterpiece. They wouldn't just randomly splash paint on a canvas, would they? No, they'd have a clear vision in mind, a concept they want to express. Goal setting is no different. The SMART goal framework is like your paintbrush, palette, and canvas all rolled into one, providing you with the tools to design your masterpiece. Let's break it down. stands for specific. Rather than saying, I want to be healthier, make your goal specific. I want to eat 5 servings of fruits and vegetables daily is a more specific goal. It's clear, it's concise, and it gives you a definite target to aim for. M is for measurable. A measurable goal is one that can be quantified. Instead of setting a goal to exercise more, opt for, I will jog for 30 minutes 3 times a week. By doing this, you have a concrete way to track your progress. A is for achievable. Your goals should push you, yes, but they should also be within your reach. If you've never run a day in your life, setting a goal to win a marathon in a month isn't realistic. Start small. Maybe you aim to run a mile without stopping. From there, you can build up to longer distances. R is for relevant. Your goals should align with your long-term plans. If you're striving to be a renowned chef, learning how to knit may not be the most relevant goal. Instead, aim to master a new recipe each week. Lastly, T stands for time-bound. Every goal needs a deadline. Without one, it's easy to procrastinate or get off track. So instead of saying, I'll learn to play the guitar, say, I'll learn to play a song on the guitar by the end of the month. With SMART goals, you get a roadmap that leads you directly to your destination. Remember, the journey to achieving your goals is a marathon, not a sprint. Be patient, be persistent, and keep your eyes on the prize. With your SMART goal in hand, it's time to plan and execute. Creating a plan is like drawing a map for your journey. It's your guide, your reference point that keeps you on track and moving in the right direction. Imagine setting off on an adventure without a map. You may get lost or take longer to reach your destination if you reach it at all. The same is true for your goals. A well-crafted plan breaks your goal down into smaller, manageable tasks that are less overwhelming and more achievable. So, how do you create a plan? Start by breaking down your goal into smaller tasks. If your goal is to write a book, for instance, you could start by outlining the chapters, then focus on writing one chapter at a time. It makes the process less daunting, and each completed task brings a sense of accomplishment and motivation to keep going. But creating a plan is just the first step. The real magic happens when you start to execute that plan. This is where consistency and discipline come into play. Consistency is doing a little bit every day. It's about creating a routine, a habit that gets you closer to your goal day by day. Discipline, on the other hand, is sticking to that routine, even when you don't feel like it. It's about pushing through the procrastination, the fatigue, and the distractions to get the job done. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day. Your goal, no matter how big or small, will take time to achieve. It's the small, consistent steps that lead to big results. So keep at it, even when progress seems slow. You're building momentum with each step, and before you know it, you'll be closer to your goal than you ever thought possible. In this journey towards your goal, it's also crucial to celebrate small victories. Each completed task is a step forward, a small win that deserves recognition. Celebrating these small wins can boost your motivation and make the journey enjoyable. With a well-thought-out plan and consistent action, you're well on your way to achieving your goal. Obstacles are inevitable, but they are not insurmountable. When it comes to achieving any goal, it's important to remember this truth. We all face obstacles, and they can be as diverse as the goals we set. They might be external, like financial constraints or time limitations. They might be internal, such as self-doubt or fear of failure. But no matter what form they take, obstacles are not dead ends. They are detours on the path to success. Let's start with maintaining a positive mindset. It's easy to become discouraged when you hit a roadblock. But remember, setbacks are not failures. They are lessons. Instead of seeing an obstacle as a sign that you should give up, view it as an opportunity to learn and grow. Stay positive and keep your eyes on the prize. Next, don't be afraid to seek help when you need it. Whether it's advice from a mentor, support from a friend, or hiring a professional, getting outside help can be a game changer. We're often too close to our own problems to see the solution, and a fresh perspective can make all the difference. Lastly, view obstacles as opportunities for growth. Every challenge you overcome makes you stronger and better equipped to tackle the next one. Instead of dreading obstacles, embrace them. They are your stepping stones on the journey to success. Remember, the path to any goal is rarely a straight line. It's a winding road filled with ups and downs, twists and turns. But each obstacle you overcome brings you one step closer to your destination. So when you encounter an obstacle, don't let it stop you. Pause, take a deep breath, and ask yourself, what can I learn from this? How can I use this to my advantage? Then, armed with your newfound knowledge and determination, continue on your path. Remember, obstacles don't define your journey. How you respond to them does. So face them head-on, learn from them, and use them to propel you forward. Armed with these strategies, you're ready to face any obstacles that come your way. Let's quickly recap what we've learned today. Our journey began by understanding the importance of clear goals. Goals give us direction. They're the beacon that guides us through the fog of uncertainty. They allow us to focus our energy and channel it into productive action, propelling us forward. Next, we delved into the concept of SMART goals. Remember, SMART stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. By setting SMART goals, we create a roadmap for success, a clear path that breaks down our dreams into actionable steps. From there, we moved on to planning and executing. A goal without a plan is just a wish. Remember that. We learned that creating a detailed plan and taking consistent action is the key to turning our dreams into reality. It's like building a house brick by brick, each day's effort contributing to the grand structure of our dreams. Finally, we tackled overcoming obstacles. We acknowledged that challenges are an inevitable part of the journey. Instead of being deterred by them, we learned to view them as opportunities for growth, stepping stones that lead us to our goals. Remember, achieving any goal is possible with clear direction, a solid plan, and the right mindset. Don't forget to subscribe to 𝗓𝗔𝗬𝗦 for more self-improvement content. Until next time, keep soaring.